Okay, guys, in this video, we are going to take a look at the difference between qualitative variables and quantitative discrete, quantitative continuous. So this is a classification that you will need not just for a test, but for every single time there will be a test. So not just this specific one, every single one from now on. It is a very important thing to know, because you're going to analyze variables depending on the classifications in a completely different way in statistics. So what I want you to think about first, if I were to ask you, for example, how many trees grow on a particular piece of land, you're going to say 5. Okay, so when the answer is 5 or 4 or 0, whatever, it's a number, so it'll be quantitative. Okay, quantity, how many. Okay, if I say, okay, can you tell me what type of apple is this? Is this Golden Delicious? Is this Brayburn? Is this Pink Lady? Whatever. What is Pink Lady? Is that a number or a word? Well, it's a word, obviously, so that's qualitative. So a tree variety, that would be qualitative. So now, once we figure that out, now we have to figure out for the other two, is it going to be discrete or is it going to be continuous? Because it's going to be basically one of each if it's a matching question, but doesn't necessarily. So one thing that you should pay attention to, if you see any description starts with the words number of, so number of trees, how many trees, number of calculators that a teacher has, number of people on a bus, and so on. That is count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also possibly 0. If it's a count, it's always discrete. And that's as easy as that. And then so the other one, so this would be quantitative discrete, and then the other one would be quantitative continuous. So how do I know that? Let's say this is a separate question and I cannot just by elimination figure out what it is. Think about amount of rainfall. Does it have a measurement unit? So right here, I'm even giving you a hint, like amount of rainfall is measured in inches. So anything that has some sort of units, like for example, temperature is in degrees Fahrenheit, or weight is in pounds, and so on. So whenever you have this measurement, that is going to be quantitative continuous. Okay, so that hopefully helps.